Hello students, let's try to understand dispersion. Right. A 3D solid object with two identical ends. It is made up of the flat side, similar bases as well as equivalent cross sections which are called the prism. Okay. So if you talk about the prism, it is the 3D solid object with two identical ends. It is made up of the flat side, similar bases as well as equivalent cross section which are called prism. White light dispersion is generally described as the splitting of white light into seven component color as it passes through the prism. Whenever white light passes through a glass frame, is split into itself into a spectrum of the color throughout the sequence of violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange as well as red. And even this phenomena of breaking white light is known as dispersion. So breaking of light is what is called, student, dispersion of light. Causes of dispersion, student, what can be the causes? The first cause, you see, whenever white light is passed through a prism, a spectrum of seven color has been generated, demonstrating that white light is combination of seven distinct color. Prism merely serve as the channel for separating the seven colors. Refraction occurs when light strikes a glass prism. Second one, since the wavelength of the distinct component of the illumination fluctuate while the frequency remains the constant, every constituent devices by different perspective variability through velocity inside the glass prism. Now, the last point which we have to understand, the red color differs significantly the least and therefore constitute the top half of the spectrum. Meanwhile, the violet color deviate much more. So the diagram of the dispersion of white light you can see here in this one, the student here. So in this diagram, this is the prism, student. Red color deflected least and violet color deflected the most. Second point, you may be confused, student, since the wavelength of the distinct component illumination fluctuate while the frequency remain constant. Every constituent deviate by different perspective variability through the velocity inside the glass plane. So this is what is the answer, student.